young lady running. I think that's where this meets up if you go left back at the beginning. Back to climbing. Like I said, a lot of up and down. It seems like more up than down though. I don't know why it feels that way sometimes. But that can't be possible. All right, here we go. First major climb. Not bad. Easy peasy. We got another one up here in the distance. Normally I'd have my bell on, but it's so annoying on camera. I didn't think I'd run into too many people this early. I found if you find some solid rock, the less chance of your tires slipping. It's right there. Bike is so quiet after coming back from the shop. No squeaks, no noises. A little rattle right there, but nothing serious. Now we go right up this little road. This access road. The trail is right up here. We continue on the track. Rider. Rabbits everywhere. Rider. Rider. Try to yell around blind corners when I don't have my bell on. Not that they always hear the bell either. Sometimes they don't. For whatever reason. Rider. Another trail there. Down here, make a left turn here. Get in the rut. Perfect. Another right turn here. Bump here. Little mini air. And then this is something I've mastered. In the beginning, we used to stop here. But now, we just ride up right there and go. And California quail. Squeaks are coming back already. Probably in my pivots. I don't know. Again, we go right. Climb some more. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's a gazillion spider webs hitting me in the face right now. Spoke too soon about my quiet bike. Shit. I mean, shoot. Sure, my camera's on. I got hit in the ear. With a bush, and one of the little flowers off of it was in my ear, and I had ear surgery, so I don't know if the hole in my eardrum is closed yet, so I'm keeping everything out of my ear. Ah, thanks. Just me. Enjoy. He's a nice guy. He had the right of way going up, but he let me go by. Whoa. It's the second time I've gone to the right of those rocks because I was in a bad position. Alright, here comes the fun part. Loose, crazy downhill. Loose, rocky, crazy downhill. It's all about brake control. Just like that. That's pretty steep. Pretty little hop. Nothing serious. Trail meeting this one. We're getting to the dreaded switchbacks on the downhill side of this. Somebody who's above my pay grade. Well, checking my ear again. First switchback. Left turn's my stronger turn. Right turn, obviously my weaker turn. I think it's because my right foot is forward on the pedals in neutral position rather than back. Don't know if that's true, but oh, look at that. Not a problem. Okay. The next two are really tough though. The next three actually. 3 or 4. Mike. Sorry. Come on. No, you guys go. I'm good. You got the right of way. Good morning. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. Normally I have my bell on, but I'm recording, and it's annoying on the recording. Take your time. Take your time. I'm in no hurry. I got all day. Okay. Enjoy, guys. This is the one right here that I just go up here, and then pivot around. I don't know why. It's just in my head, you know? It's a mental thing. Same here. just, I don't know, because it's so narrow, so tight. And then this last one, I feel like I should be able to, there we go. All right. My friends do that. They're better than I am. All right, I'm gonna go up here in the shade. Take a little break.